Hey guys, so today we're doing chapter 13, lesson 5 on tile rectangles to find area. So it's a hands-on activity, but we don't really have anything hands-on, so I'm just going to show you what you're going to be doing. So the first part of it is tiling the rectangle. So we have a little rectangle over here. It's 8 units by 3 units. So what you're going to have to do is actually make the rows and columns. So since this is 3, you'll need 3 rows. And my rows are not perfect, obviously, because I don't have a ruler. But I have 3 rows now. And now you need 8 columns because that's what it's asking for. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 by 3. Now we figure out how many there is. So there's 3 in each column. So that would actually make it 24 squares. Okay, so the array has 3 rows and 8 columns. So 3 times 8 is 24 units. Square. I forgot to put the square in front of that. What do you notice? Well, if you multiply the rows and columns, to find your answer. So a little bit easier that way, right? So you can multiply it or you can just tile it up. So let's try it. So here we have the rectangle 6 and 5. So let's go ahead and tile that. Remember, for 5, you have to have 5 rows. So we have to have 5 this way. And again, mine's not perfect. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I need 6 columns. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So how many total squares do we have? If you count them all up, it would equal 30. So the array has 5 rows and 6 columns. 5 times 6 is 30 square units. So what do you notice? You still multiplied. You multiplied rows and columns. So let's talk about it. How do arrays help you model the area of rectangles? Well, you use the rows and columns, right? Use rows and columns and multiply. To count. And then the second question was, what is something that you notice? And that was and what's another way? And that's multiply rows by columns. So number 3 says, what's the length what's the area if it's 7 length and 4 width? So you multiply 7 times 4, which equals 28 square units. Okay? So go ahead and get started on your independent practice. If you need help, please tell me. Okay? Go ahead and get started, guys.